Hello everyone. My name is Vasily Nemirenko. I will present my individual degree related project with titled Cybersecurity Learning App for Small to Medium Entities. This is a mobile application to educate employers on common cyber threats. So the presentation will guide you through the research, planning, and design of the mobile app of this application, and which is developed to address key cybersecurity training challenges in small and medium entities. So over the next few minutes, I'll explain why I chose this project, what is the aim to achieve, and how it was being structured to deliver a practical solution. Um, Small and medium-sized businesses are a key part of the key economy, but many of many of the companies do not have their own IT teams or proper cybersecurity training. As online threats uh, like phishing, ransomware, and mistake made by staff become more common, employee need to be the first line of the defense. So this project aims to help by creating an easy to use mobile app that teach staff about cyber security. So the app will work on both Android and iOS devices, and will use Amazon Web Services to safely store and manage data. It will include short training lessons. Also, will be a section that will help new employee get started and build a survey to collect feedback and measure learning. The purpose of the project is not just to build an app, but to help create a strong culture of cybersecurity awareness within small businesses. So the main goal of this project is to design and plan a mobile learning app that helps employers in small and medium-sized businesses learn how to stay safe online. Many small businesses do not have the money and do not have a proper IT department to provide cybersecurity training. So this aims to solve this problem by offering simple and easy to use learning tools directly on mobile. So while the app is not yet built, the project focuses on creating a clear plan designed to design and learning content for future development. So the main objective is to find out the most common cybersecurity problems that small businesses face, like phishing, malware, and scams. This involves doing research, using recent reports and articles to learn what type of online attacks are most likely to affect small businesses. This information will help decide what the app should look like. Yeah? So also, the other objective is to design an app that layout that is easy to use on both Android and iOS phones. The app should be simple to navigate and work well on both these major platforms, so that more users can access it. So other objective is to create a learning plan with short lessons that explain key cybersecurity ideas. The app will include easy to understand training modules with real examples, interactive content, and short quizzes to test what users have learned. The app will also help new staff learn about the company policies and will include short quizzes or survey that can share where the employee can share their opinion about the learning process. So also we need to plan how to store and manage the user data safely. For this purpose we will use AWS. This is Amazon Web Services. That will provide security for all data, and also AWS will provide some reports about how that apps are used. Also, we plan how to check if the app works well and help people learn. This means coming up with a way to test if user so the next will be research, which in this phase I review reports for ENISA and National Security Center. For what reports for the previous years, what were the main threats that face small businesses. The tools to design this app will be used Adobe XD and Figma, which are tools for creating visual layouts and interactive sample for the app. Also for developing we use React Native, which allow to do code that same code for Android and iOS. Also for to store the data we'll use AWS. The implementation, as any project, there were some challenges. One of these issues is making sure that learning content would be simple enough for everyone to understand without leaving out important details about cybersecurity. Another challenge was planning how to use Amazon Web Services for things like storing data and managing users, especially since this needs to work smoothly with a mobile app. Also, one challenge was to choose what platform to use that will be suitable for both Android and iOS mobile phones. For the project, was choose Agile. This is which is a flexible way of managing work. Agile breaks the project into small parts called sprints and focus on making improvements step by step. It's helpful on building up because it allows change based on feedback during the process rather than waiting until the end. I follow the Agile called Scrum, where work is done in short, planned periods, in my case 2-week sprint. Each sprint focuses on different tasks like designing the app or writing the content. To stay organized, I use a tool called Trello. Trello is a free online app that helps manage tasks using boards and cards. I use it to list everything I need to do, track my progress, and plan each sprint clearly. Agile was the best choice for this project because it allowed me to make changes quickly, based on feedback, and adjust priorities if needed. So the project was divided in 6 phases. For each one, I use, as you can see, Trello. This is a snip of a Trello, yeah. For research and requirement, in this phase looked cybersecurity problems in small businesses and studied what feature the app should have. Wireframes and design. This is for this I use tools like Adobe XD to draw sample plans showing how the app screens will look like. The third phase is my name as technical planning, where I choose which tools to use. Content development, started writing learning materials and planning what each training module will teach. Testing, I created a plan for how the app will be tested later, including asking others to give their thoughts and using short quizzes to see what they are learning. In this phase, the project used 2 main ways to check how well the app works. First is to provide some quizzes before and after the training to understand how the people if that worked well. The second is to use AWS Analytics for to understand how often they use this each application. This application, each training, each lessons, and how long that takes for them to understand what each lessons. In conclusion, the project was built to a strong starting point for a cybersecurity training app aimed at small businesses. Although the app is not finished yet, the plan, features, and design they are ready. So next steps will be to properly develop this app, testing with user to see how well it works, adding features like rewards or quizzes, meaning gamification. Also include multi-language just for next development. So yeah, this is my
Questions?
if everyone have a question,
No.
feel free to.
No, I don't have any questions.
Well,